on it. We also want to remind you, all of our great veterans boarding the Spirit St. Louis Airshow are pleased to welcome the USO Missouri. The USO Missouri serves the 209,000 military personnel and their families annually through its facilities at St. Louis Lambert International Airport, Fort Leonard Wood, and its mobile USO units. The USO strengthens our military service members by keeping them connected to family, home, and country throughout their service to our nation. Thank you for your commitment to our military and our veterans. Also, Enterprise is a proud sponsor of the Spirit of St. Louis Airshow and STEM Expo, although we serve more than 7,000 communities worldwide. One city has always been a little near and dear to our hearts, St. Louis. It's not just our headquarters, it is our home. From our family to yours, thank you from Enterprise. And remember, when you're looking for the highest level of service in aviation, be sure to visit TAC Air right here at the Spirit of St. Louis, one of our 14 FBO locations. TAC Air is proud to support the Airshow for our 9th year and provide customers and the community service with no ceilings. Phillips 66 Aviation is proud to sponsor the Spirit of St. Louis Airshow. Be sure you visit Phillips66aviation.com to learn about our programs and offerings for pilots and fixed-base operations. The leader in aviation, Phillips 66 Aviation. Of course, Purina. We'd like to take a moment to recognize Purina. Purina believes that when pets and people come together, lives become richer. To learn more about this premier global manufacturer of dog food, cat food, treats, and litter, make sure you visit Purina.com. And of course, the Hager Company proudly supports the Spirit of St. Louis Airshow and STEM Expo. We've had the privilege of providing quality door hardware and electronic access control products to the St. Louis region for over 169 years. And we look forward to continuing that service for years to come. Of course, we want to thank the DoubleTree by Hilton St. Louis Chesterfield. And we'd like to again to welcome them and thank them for their support as they welcome the Spirit of St. Louis Airshow for their partnership. We're proud to be their preferred hotel. That's the DoubleTree by Hilton, St. Louis Chesterfield. Of course, Dave Sinclair Ford and Lincoln are proud to sponsor the Spirit of St. Louis Airshow and STEM Expo. Dave Sinclair Ford is your original first responder Ford dealer. Learn more at DaveSinclairFord.com. JV Aviation is also a proud sponsor of this year's Spirit of St. Louis Airshow. Aviation is a planning, design, and construction administration firm that focuses solely on aviation-related projects. Responsive and flexible personal service is the foundation of the aviation business. We also do want to remind you that, remember all of our Airshow fans, get great discount tickets on next year's Spirit of St. Louis Airshow as well. For next week only, go online to spirit-airshow.com. You'll receive early bird discounts for next year's show, 50% off general admission, 25% off flight line and Club Bravo. Make sure you remember that, and we'll see you in 2019 in our September 7th and 8th show, which will be headlined by the United States Navy Blue Angels. So, again, a great air show coming up in 2019 as well. Some great ticket-saving opportunities available this coming week. Tell you what a lineup of air show we have. We just saw a few minutes ago the United States Air Force P38 and F-16 depart. They're out doing some formation work right now as we watch them. We got